Why rent? Paint the walls, have the pets you want, own your own place. Sweet place to sit in the enclosed porch, and right behind it, a mudroom and attached shed for storage. The big ticket items have been done. You'll have a 2012 hot air furnace, 2014 roof shingles on the main house, and the chimney rebuilt in 2014. So much cupboard space in this huge kitchen. And notice there is plenty of room for an island if you would prefer more counter space. Nice spot for a large table at the far end. And through those louvered doors, washer dryer. Lots of light in the living room. And I love the arches. Easy care laminate flooring. Master bedroom has a his and her closet. All 3 bedrooms and bath are on the 2nd floor. Great place for flowers in the front. You won't spend all weekend mowing, but there is a backyard. From here, it's an easy walk to the downtown. Get fit and enjoy time in nature along the multi-use whistle-stop trail. Take a walk to the library for films or magazines or books. Skateboard or romp and play tennis at the rec field. Enjoy live music at the gazebo. All this within easy walking distance. Call me to take a look.